So in this subject, we are going to send our ad to their to Quora's review process. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So for that, we're going to go to Quora ads
Okay.
support.zendesk.com and campaign management, and we're going to you know just click ad review, choose ad review here. Ad review, and paste the link. And I represent an agency. No. Subject, please review my text ad on Quora. Hello, Quora. Please review my text ad on Quora
It said overview of text ad, overview of image ad.
and also approve my logo. Okay, let's not talk about logo here. Please review my text ad on Quora and approve it ASAP. Thanks. And sometimes the request was submitted successfully. Let's check. Obviously, they're using the Zendesk support, so that means you're going to
Mhm.
get a confirmation. You see, you got a
Well,
confirmation. So they're using Zendesk. Thank you for
one or two.
contacting. Will be answered in 1 to 2 business days. That support team is available Monday through Friday, and it's
Monday a
Sunday.
holiday, so
So it's
tomorrow is
Sunday,
Memorial Day,
and tomorrow is Memorial Day.
a holiday.
But anyways, our ads are off. So, okay. Anyways,
Yeah.
um, we just took
Venus
that extra
season.
step.